Hello from Moonee Valley Libraries. This is a quick video to help you link your COVID vaccination certificate with your Service Victoria app. In this tutorial, we will cover two methods for linking your certificate. To get started, you will need to have a MyGov account already set up. From there, download or update to the latest version of the Service Victoria app via the App Store or Google Play. Method 1. Download and open the Medicare Express Plus app. Tap Next to set up. Read over the instructions and tap Finish to proceed. You will now need to sign in to your MyGov account. Read through the terms of use and tap I agree. Tap Sign in with MyGov. Enter your login details and tap Sign in. A text message will be sent to your phone with a security code. Enter the code, then tap Next. If you are listed on multiple Medicare cards, you may be required to enter the most recent card details. Tap Yes or No according to your preference to proceed. Under Services, tap to select Proof of Vaccinations. From the next screen, tap View History. Scroll down and tap Share with Check-in app. Tap on Share next to the Service Victoria app. Scroll to read through the conditions, then tap Accept and Share at the bottom of the screen. Tap OK to leave the Medicare app. Then, tap the Service Victoria app. Tap Add Certificate. You have now added your certificate to the Service Victoria app. Method 2. For iPhone users, you will need to have iOS 13 or later to link via this method. For iPhone 11 or 12 users, you will need to use the Express Plus Medicare app demonstrated in the first half of this tutorial. Download or update the Service Victoria app. Tap to open and select the small box with a tick located towards the bottom of the screen. Tap Add Certificate. Then tap Add Certificate via MyGov. Use your sign-in details to log into your MyGov account. A security text message will be sent to your phone with a security code. Enter the code, then tap Next. Scroll down to the Proof of COVID Vaccination link and tap Go to Medicare. Enter your Medicare details and tap Sign in. Tap View History. Then tap Share with Check-in app. Tap on Share next to the Service Victoria app. Scroll to read through the conditions, then tap Accept and Share at the bottom of the screen. Your certificate has now been sent to the Service Victoria app. Tap to close and open up your Service Victoria app to view your linked certificate. Your COVID vaccination certificate will now be stored in your Service Victoria app and linked with the QR function. Thanks for watching. Visit our website or follow us on social media for more.